Hey guys, today I got a package of squishies. I just took off an address. See this? Okay, so I do see a note. So I'm gonna open that up first. Hello, Shop Squishy. I sent you a package full of squishies, and I hope you like them. From my sister Lily and me, Priscilla. Like your sister. Love, Lily and Priscilla. Sorry about my nails. And sent me extra, I think. Here it is. It's a macaron. Thank you for the extra. Let's check out the package. So, the first thing she sent me was a chowie bread. Sorry about this. Which I'm not going to take out the packaging because I want it to stay good. So yeah, chowie bread. It's really cute packaging. So cute. Let's check out the next one. Yeah, sent me a little bun. It's a dog bun. It's green. Then she sent me this little bun, which is extra. She said that an extra fell out. This is really dense, but I think I'll keep it as a stress. So that's okay. Then I got a blue bun. This blue little thing. Comment down below if you know what this is. Don't wanna camera shoot it too far. And then I think this is a homemade because the back just looks a little bit weird. It's brown and stuff like the thing is. Gosh, it's sticky too. I think this is a homemade one. Really not getting in the packaging. Here it is. Feels like it too. It's really squishy. So if you guys made this, great job. I know it's plain, but it's okay. It's pretty squishy. And then they sent me an Ivan bread doll. Which I will get out the packaging. Here it is. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla sugar. It's really squishy.
Mama said put all that stuff off. Put everything on the floor.
Just make your bed, Pee-Pee. Okay, sorry. I was talking to my little sister. Oh, it's fine. Okay. And then she sent me this little, what's it called? I don't know what it's called, but it's like a bun. I don't really know what squishies are called, but I know she has a name, and I think she's from Hello Kitty. So, ooh, yay! I got a panda bun. The panda buns. Which it is really dirty and really scratched up, but it's okay. Because it is just a panda bun, and I got all these squishies. She sent me an eye bloom mini strawberry. Okay, I'm totally taking this out of it. Oh, she taped it, so I can't really open it. But it's okay. I could smell it through the package. It smells really good. Okay. And then this is my logo. On the back it says custom-made logo. That's really cool. I guess it's my old one. I have my bow on mine now. I got a mini panda bun. Yay! With the bow. And the last thing is this. I don't know if it's eyebrow peach or just a replica peach, but here it is. Really squishy. Sorry about the packaging. Say, not even moving. Oh yeah, I just got this in the mail. It's like super squishy. It's like my favorite squishy, so. Okay. So that was my video. Hope you liked it, and yeah. And please check out Musically. It's Cupcake Angel, just without the E. So, and subscribe and like this video. Bye!